Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will learn some Python string methods. The Python string methods are a collection of inbuilt Python functions that operates on the strings that we have in Python. Here, we will talk about these 6 functions: capitalize function, lower, CaseFold, title, upper, and SwapCase function. Okay, so let's see each function one by one. The capitalize function. It converts the first character of the string to the uppercase and the rest character of the string to the lowercase. Okay, only the first character will be converted to uppercase here. Let's see an example. Suppose we have a string. I am taking only a small string like Python. Now, if I use this function capitalize on this, then what will be the output? The first character of this string will be converted into uppercase while all the rest characters will be in lowercase. Okay, it is very simple. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have a string s1 Python programming. Now if I use same function capitalize on this and run this, you can see only the first character of this string as well is converted to uppercase while all the remaining characters are lowercase. It means it doesn't matter how many words we have in our string, but only the first character will be converted to uppercase. Let's take one more simple example. Suppose I have a string s2 Python programming is good. Here you can see that the first character of the second word is in uppercase. Also, the first character of this word is in uppercase. Now, when I will use capitalize on this string s2, then this will be the output. The first character is only in uppercase while all the characters will be in lowercase as well. P is converted into lowercase and G as well is converted into lowercase. So this is our capitalized function. Moving to our next function, and it is lower function. The lower function is used to convert all the characters in a string to the lowercase. Again, suppose I have a string, small string like this, written Python. If I use lower function on this string, then you can see the first character which was in uppercase is converted into lowercase and all other characters are still in lowercase only. Let's take one more example. We have a string s1 Python programming. Here the first character of both words is in uppercase. Now when we will use lower function on this string, the first character of both the words will be converted into lowercase. Suppose I have a string data science where all the characters are in uppercase. Now it is simple. When I will use lower function on this string, all the characters will be converted into lowercase as well. One more example. Suppose I have a string s3 Python programming is good. Here some characters are in uppercase, but when I will use lower function on it command, so all the characters will be converted into lowercase. So this is the use of lower function to convert all the characters of a string to lowercase. Moving to our next function. Next function is CaseFold function. You can download this Jupyter notebook from the link given in the description of this video. CaseFold function. The CaseFold function method is more aggressive version of the lower function method. Okay, means you can say it is just similar to lower function, but there is change. And this method is used for converting a string to lowercase for caseless comparisons. We will see this with some examples. This method is especially important for the strings that contain Unicode characters from various languages. Suppose I have a string and in the string I have a German word like this. The meaning of this word is street in English. Okay. So when I will use the lower function to change the characters of this string in lowercase, then it will not convert this character into the lowercase. But when I will use the caseFold function on the same string, you can see all the characters are converted into lowercase in English. So this is the use of caseFold function. where we have the Unicode characters in some different languages. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have a different word and this is a string. When I will use the lower function on this string, it is not converting the word into the lowercase. But as I use the CaseFold function on this, then it will be converted into the lowercase with English characters like this. So we can add one more line here for better understanding that this CaseFold function is especially important for string containing the Unicode characters from various languages. Okay. Now moving to our next function, which is upper function. It is just opposite to lower function. Okay, let's see. The upper function. It converts all the characters in a string to uppercase. I have a string where we have a word Python. When I will use the upper function, all the characters of this string or word will be converted into uppercase. It is very simple. The second example, we have a string s1 Python programming. When again we will use the upper function or upper method, all the characters of this string will be converted to uppercase. One more example, I have a string s2 Python programming is good. When we will use the upper function or upper method on this as well, all the characters will be converted to uppercase. Here you can also take an string like this, and after the string you can put the method to use. Like uppercase I am using, sorry, upper function I am using. Similarly, if I use the lower function, then like this. Okay, means you can copy paste or use a string also as well. This is our upper function. Moving to our the last function or last method, SwapCase. The SwapCase function swaps the case of each character in the string, means uppercase will be converted to lowercase and lowercase will be converted to uppercase. See the example again. I have a string where the first character is uppercase and the rest character are lowercase. Now when I will use swap case on this string, then all the characters that were in uppercase will be converted to lowercase and all the characters that were lowercase will be converted to uppercase. So this is the simple use of SwapCase function. See some more example. I have this string again Python programming and like this, and this is the output. All the characters are converted to uppercase that were in lowercase. One more example. I have a string s2 Python programming is good, s2 dot SwapCase function, and it is our output. So friends, this is the use of SwapCase function. In our next videos, we will talk about some more string functions as well. If you want to watch these videos in Hindi, then you can subscribe IT courses where we have the videos in Hindi language. Also, if you want to learn data analysis with Python, then you can consider our notes of core Python. The NumPy, here we have the command notes. There is no theory in these notes and there are only the commands like this. You can see the pandas note, very important for data analysis, and the matplotlib and the join merge contact functions. SQL also we have covered in these notes. Okay, the link of these notes is given in the description of this video.